Personal presenting knowledge and skills, part 3 of 3. Some points to consider on bigger stage. For the environment, as the group goes larger, is it personal touch or personal charisma? So actually the personal touch is important because for smaller group, people can also sense it. Whereas for bigger group is on the personal charisma and also whether the person is more has a flow of delivery, okay, with the structure, and whether the person who speaks can actually have good content. Okay. Secondly, informal or informal. Okay. For the smaller group, it will be more informal. As for the bigger group, it will be more formal. So even the way of delivery, the dressing might have to change a bit. For example, you stand up more, and walk around more to the audience when it's a formal big group presentation or public speaking. Okay. So and you need to be appropriate dressed as per covered in the other videos. Okay, or public speaking or presentation. So the thirdly, interaction including humor is very important. So we have to maintain eye contact to few parties, okay, and scan the audience throughout few times with a smile or many smiles, preferably, and ask the audience questions and smile at some people that look at you. Can be some tips. You can look back and make fun of something on the stage, do not abuse the crowd or personally attack anyone. Have good humor and joke is good. So fourthly, let's go to maintaining the crowd mood. Okay, you need to gradually build up the tempo, especially via emotional stories and testimonials. Okay, and also some alarming statistics or good statistics that will wow the audience. So and the audio presentation and lighting systems, okay, make sure that you test the audio and visual presentation and make sure that people can look from it at the furthest point or hear the speaker from the furthest point. So finally, know the stage. Need to stand at the center, command the stage presence. Less is more. For example, where we stand besides the visual but don't block the visual from the audience. Okay, we have come to the end of this part 3 presentation. Essential presenting knowledge and skills, part 3 of 3 completed. Please continue with other learning modules of ACE Learning Group. ACE Learning Group, thank you for your continued support. Please send your really appreciated feedbacks or comments to ACE Learning Group, Mr. Andrew C, HAPPYSE27@yahoo.com, +65963021009, call or text, WhatsApp, WeChat, Kakao, Line, SMS, etc. Thank you.